Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the supervising Mac and the iPad. Plug the iPad into the Mac with a certified cable and launch Apple Configurator 2. This tool talks directly to the device. Make sure the Mac is online so Configurator can download restore images. Once connected, identify the iPad in Configurator's device list. You need the supervising connection to remove supervision. If you can, create a backup first, because the reset will wipe managed profiles and user data. Now put the iPad into DFU mode using the correct button sequence for your model. Holding and timing matter, so follow each step slowly. Once in DFU, click Restore in Apple Configurator and let it download the official IPSWA. Configurator will flash the firmware and perform a clean restore which removes supervised supervision tied to that configurator session. Monitor progress and do not disconnect. The Mac will show steps and status. When the restore completes, the iPad reboots as a fresh device. You finish by setting up the iPad and verifying supervision is gone in Settings under Device Management. If profiles remain, the supervising record may be in MDM. If supervision persists, make sure Apple Configurator and Mac OS are updated, sign back into the supervising Apple ID, and repeat the DFU restore. One key troubleshooting tip. If Configurator reports restore errors, update IPSWA, try a different USB port or cable, and reboot the Mac. These simple fixes resolve most connection and restore failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.